Second example is where we have the observation in data is even. Let's put it in order as usual. Let's work out the median. We cross from both ends. Here there is no single number, so we work out the median by working out the average of 12 and 16. That gives us 14. Now, that also split the data into two halves. Now remember, the 14 is not part of the data. This 14 is not part of the data. So when it's split into two, one half will start from 12 all the way down. The other one will start from 16 all the way up here. The first one that we saw, it was different because the median was actually in the data and that was circled out. So what didn't belong to any of the sections. Let me take you back to make sure you understand that. So you see, this median doesn't belong to any of the halves. It's on its own. So when you circle it as a median, it doesn't belong to any of the halves. But when we come to this one, you realize that the median is not part of the list of numbers that you have. So you need to know that when you divide it into two, it starts from this point all the way down for one half, and the other half from 16 all the way up. So you need to be very careful of that. That is why I'm giving you these two examples. Okay, so this is it. Let's work out the median for the first half for our lower quartile. So it's 7. Let's work out the median for the upper second half for upper quartile. 21. Okay. Now remember, we had 14 for our median, and our smallest is 2, largest 29. So let's plot them on a graph. So this is our graph. So this is how we get our values to draw box plot from raw data. We're now going to see how do we compare box plot. How do we compare box plot? Don't forget, if we're asked to work out the interquartile range, upper quartile minus lower quartile.